Hey guys, it's Rob with Eureka, and this is our new Kohana car camping tent. It's a great car camping tent built to handle any kind of wild weather. It's got a classic two-pole dome design that's super easy to set up. And today, I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you'll want to do is open the carry duffel and take stock of all the different parts. For the Kohana, you're going to find 2 fly rods, the fly itself. There's also going to be the 2 main frame poles, the tent body, as well as the stakes and guy lines. Take the tent body, spread it out on the ground and get it unrolled. While you're doing that, you're going to want to find the 4 corner webbings with grommets. Once you've got the tent body laid out, you'll want to start assembling the main frame poles. These are the 2 longer frame poles. With the main frame poles assembled, you can take them, place them on top of the tent body in an X formation, and insert the grommets at the 4 corner loops. With the main frame poles now inserted into the 4 corner grommets, you can start standing up the tent frame and attaching all the tent clips to the poles. Make sure the peak clip goes over the top pole. You can just work your way around the tent, attaching all the remaining pole clips. Now that the tent is up and freestanding, you'll want to make sure to stake down the 4 corners. Now that the tent body is set, we can move on to the fly. The first thing you'll want to do is assemble the 2 fly rods and set them aside. Next, we're going to unroll the fly, flip it upside down so that we can see the underside of the fly. We're going to locate the 4 fly rod pockets. Take your 2 fly rods and you're going to insert the tips of them into the fly pockets on the underside of the fly. Make sure that when you do this, the fly poles run parallel to each other, not cross. With the fly poles inserted on the underside of the fly, you can now find your orange and blue webbing and make sure you match it to the webbing colors on the tent. You can take this and get the fly up over on the tent. On the underside of the fly, you'll find 4 pieces of Velcro. You'll want to wrap those around the fly rod and the main tent pole and secure them to each other. There's Velcro in back of the 4 guy out points. Make sure to attach that as well. With the fly now on, find the color matching orange and blue webbing on the fly and tent body and secure the buckles. With the fly now secure, you can stake out the front and rear vestibules. Final step is to attach all the guy lines and make sure those are staked down securely. It's as simple as that. The Eureka Kohana, an adventure-ready car camping tent that when it's guyed out and staked down, you can tell it's ready for just about anything. Get out there and enjoy it.